Foodaholic, this is the ingredients of the day, and of course I go say hope you enjoy your Christmas and Happy New Year. Yes, 2014 don't round up. Of course 2015 now we enter, so we thank God for everybody. I happy say all my Foodaholics they there and now they watch me again. Thank you so much. I thank you for your support, and of course Something Chicken season 5 don't come to a beautiful end. I shall say all now. Enjoy all our recipe this period, all the sausage recipes, the chicken recipes, the meatloaf recipes, and I will use this opportunity to thank all the people who partner with me for this Something Chicken. First of all, I will say thank you to Chi Chicken, I will say thank you to Chi Farms, I will say thank you to Comat, I will say thank you to Golden Penny Foods, the home of good food, I will say thank you to Coke, I will say thank you to Gino, yes, and so many others, and of course I no go fit come over here without saying a very big thank you to all my team members, my cameramen, my assistants, my beautiful editor, as in great people, great team I get for here. And of course now season 5 Something Chicken be this, and we definitely they come back season 6 with something bigger, better, and more food delicious. Yeah, Foodaholic-licious. So food. Yes, now the Belleful Ministry, and of course this is the ingredient of the day. Today my ingredient na Golden Penny Semovita, where we don't see around here since, and of course Chi Chicken Day corner here from Chi Farms. Now thank you everybody. Golden Penny Semovita, Chi Chicken for Chi Farms. Now we they use today, and I don't know what they do, and of course for this beautiful recipe they go see add their own support for the food. Yes, the Golden Penny Semovita now to step down the soup, and of course the chicken now to arrange the soup. Who eats without meat? Yes. Anyway, on top the greeting matter, I know if you take all the messages, if not at first, make I take all messages where they come. But take from Ake Chiamaka. Ake say, I love your program so much. I've learned a lot of new recipe and cooking techniques. I'd love to be your friend on Facebook, and always nice one, Gina. Keep up the good job, Gina. Thumbs up. I love you. And of course I reply her. I say I love her so much too. Yes, and so many of now they send such messages. Thank you so much. And I already be my friend. As far as you did my fan page, as far as we interact, to be good friends already. Thank you so much. Mero Muaz. You say, I like your innovation in cooking. It's really exciting. Thank you so much. I thank God for Baba God I thank God for wisdom where Baba God give, and I also they're very grateful to God. Say everything what they do for here, now they enjoy them for house, and of course from all the messages where they get, I know say so many people they practice them and they work for them. Thank you so much. From Konsi Jaka, you say, hi Gina, I watch your program from Uganda and I really enjoy it. Thanks. He said, I'm going to start preparing that beautiful food here. I love cooking. Thank you so much, Konsi Jaka. All of now from outside Nigeria. In short, una plenty all put together. South Africa, Nigeria, Europe. A lot of my fans from France, Germany, Indonesia. I don't know people there in Indonesia, but of course from my back end, I see say even people where they watch from Indonesia, where they visit the blog from Indonesia, nearly one plenty past the people where they for Nigeria. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you now. And hello Gina from Michael Sampson. He said, I want make you invite me for the program. What make I do to get invited? I just talk calm now. Send me your selfie, your full feeds, and you go there invited. And of course all my beautiful Twitter fans, people they like my pictures on top Instagram. I love all of you now. And yes, I know what come up for this year. I know say I promise to dance second for now. Yes, I say I'm gonna go see my second. So before the show finish, I need to remind the cameraman, make you remind me, make I dance on a second. So we'll go see ourselves for kitchen. We'll go finish it today for kitchen.